Our recipes for today are bitter gourd with shrimp and egg and chicken and cucumber salad in peanut sauce. Let me show you first the bitter gourd or ampalaya. Tinry ko to guys sa mga amo ko kasi meron silang tanim na ampalaya sa farm. So far nagustuhan din. So for our ingredients, we have the bitter gourd, the shrimp, 3 eggs, garlic, and some tomatoes. This is very easy guys. I know most of Filipinos knows how to cook this. So, unang gawin po natin is isaute natin yung garlic. Then once na mabango na siya and medyo luto, then we can add the tomatoes. Then we'll just keep on sauteing. After a couple of minutes, we can add our shrimp. So, I use a fresh shrimp guys. Yung iba kasi nagdadagdag din sila ng dried shrimp for more flavor. But I prefer the fresh one. Let's season it with some white pepper. Yan guys! Masarap to siya and very Filipino pero thank God na gustuhan din siya nila amo and sabi niya perfect daw for bitter gourd, hindi siya halata na mapait. I also added some black pepper and some salt bago ko din nagdag yung ating ampalaya or bitter gourd. Yan guys, very healthy, very high in iron. After 2 to 3 minutes na luto yung ating ampalaya, I added the egg. So yan guys, para hindi masyadong ma-overcook yung ampalaya natin, para andyan pa rin yung crunchiness niya. So, isimmer lang siya natin for another 2 minutes para mag-dry up yung water na nilabas ng ampalaya. Then, it's gonna be ready for eating! Up next is the chicken and cucumber salad in peanut sauce. Ito po ang ating main ingredients. Cucumbers and chicken thighs. So yung chicken natin, binol ko lang siya with some ginger and some salt. Then yan po guys, shredded chicken at yung cucumber natin, kinat ko siya into strips. For the sauce, we will need some soy sauce, sesame oil, and the super chunky peanut butter. So I use this brand. It's up to you kung anong brand yung gusto nyo. So yan po guys, yan. I-mix lang natin sila. Then we have the sesame seed for garnishing. Thank you guys for watching and thank you din sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik ng aking recipes, lalong-lalo na ang aking channel. And sana hindi kayo magsawa and don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification button for more updates guys!